Welcome to this exciting meeting how about changing your life. People always wonder when is the right time to make decisions. Well, maybe tonight is the right time. Maybe it is now. Or if you're watching the recording, maybe the time is now to make a decision. So let's go into this and see. Many years ago, we were in a situation where we had to make a choice. We had to make a decision. It was one Christmas. Financially, we were in dire straits. We had to decide school clothes or toys. We didn't have the money for both. It was three little children looking with bright eyes at Christmas. They want gifts. But we had to buy them school clothes, wrap it, and put that under the Christmas tree. Now, at first we were quite relieved because when they opened the gifts, they were actually excited about the new school clothes. But that just showed us in what a financial situation we were. And we realized we better do something about this. So that was an eye-opener for us to see how financially broke we were. Well, we tried several things. Lisa made tracksuits for children. She sold that. She made banana loaves for home industries. Lisa and myself, we were involved in selling cosmetics. Yes, I could tell you about crimson red lipstick and ice blue nail polish and cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and blusher, and toner, and all the funny stuff which men are so excited about, you know. I started to plant this in your backyard, and from the plant nursery, I started to sell plants in an attempt to increase our income. With the craft markets, some days we sold nothing. So it was not very exciting to go to craft markets and not being able to sell anything. I finished an honors degree, and thanks to the honors degree, my salary went up a little bit. So I said, okay, fine, let me try a master's degree. Then I did a master's degree. I started with it, but when I started with it, some funny things happened. Chris and Barbara started telling us about a way they had of making extra money. And via snail mail, they contacted us and they would tell us how much they were making. And we were saying, shame, they were working hard for peanuts. In the meantime, I didn't do my homework because their peanuts was far more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years part-time study doing a master's degree. Okay, a check changed our lives. Something very interesting happened. Chris and Barbara were on holiday for 2 weeks. Now for 2 years we were not interested. We didn't even take a look. We said, not interested, leave us alone. So during the 2-week holiday, they came to us for 2 days. And what happened was they said, when we go back, a check of about 20,000 Rand is waiting for us. Now that is in pounds about 900 pounds. Okay. We said, how is it possible? You are on holiday. How do you do that one? And then they explained it to us, and we started. And within the first month that we started, we made about 3 times more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years part-time study. So I stopped the master's degree just there and then. So that was an easy sum to make then. Health became part of our story. So I just had to add this in. It was not only about the money, it also saw changes in your family's health. Our life changed, health and wealth in other words changed, and personal growth. Quick background. I had rheumatic fever when I was 14, and Michael died when I was 18, and then I got recurring throat infections for about 10 to 12 times a year, and 3 to 4 times a year I needed antibiotics. And after we changed our buying habits, our nutrition, and got involved with the things that Barbara and Chris told us, my throat infection stopped. It's now been more than 30 years and I have not needed any antibiotics for throat infections at all. Our son's dairy allergy also cleared up from things we've learned. So it's more than just wealth. We also learned about health, and it changed our lives. And that's why I like sharing this with people, because I want to help you change your life as well. This opportunity, a long-term vision and track record. It started in 1958. It was founded in the US of A. So it's older than many of you watching. Probably older than most of you, if not all. Okay? But the point is, it tells you it's not a fly-by-night opportunity. It operates in about 60 countries. That's also ensuring, telling us, hey, it's not a fly-by-night thing. Long-term record vision. Many benefits. Let's look at your own boss, unless you're a married man, of course, unless you're your own boss. Free training and support, save and make money, unlimited income potential. The only limit is the limit you put in yourself. Do it part-time or full-time, you can decide. I'm still doing it part-time. I've been doing part-time for more than 30 years now. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That's comforting. You can get holidays and rewards, and we've been on some holidays. Oh, amazing holidays. Like MSC Symphonia for 4 nights and 5 days, for example. Going to Sun City for 5 days. Went on a tour in South Africa for more than 2 weeks as well. Now it was amazing what you can get here. And it's lots more than that. And you can earn in foreign currency. Yes, we earn money from a couple of countries. Although we don't know people personally, or haven't met people personally from overseas. Now, here's the thing. We all share great news. If you come across a bargain or something exciting, you tell your friends. About a week ago, I went to a shop here locally, and they had Nazis in a bag, about a kilogram, for only 10 Rand a bag. And a few days later, tomatoes, 750 grams for 7 Rand a bag. Now currently tomatoes cost like 20 Rand plus a kilogram. And what happened? I told other people about these specials at the shop. So think about it, I was marketing the specials for the shop, but not getting paid for that. But the point is, we like to tell people. If you went to a restaurant, at a nice meal, you tell people about it. Say, oh, the food there is nice. Okay? That's who we are. We like to tell people about things. And that is what we do, in short. But I'm going to explain to you more. So what do you have to do? Let's tell you what you have to do. You're going to tell others, show others how to buy at a discount and save. Just like I said, I saw the shop, those tomatoes at a special, and I told other people about it. Same here. You tell people about this exciting way of saving and making money. Because you cut out the wholesalers, the advertisers, the retailers, the reps, and the shoplifters. All the people that cause the price to be higher. So in other words, you cut out all the middlemen. Now there are 4 simple steps in what we do. 1, you buy products yourself when you want, as much as you want, at a discount. So you save money because you buy at a discount. 2, you get education and support. You learn and grow. So that way you know what to do, how to do it, and how to help other people. 3, you share the opportunity. Others, you tell other people, listen here, you can also buy the discount and you can also make money. Just like I told the people about the tomatoes and the Nazis. You tell other people same way. And on that you can earn a bonus. I will explain it in a few minutes. And lastly, if people are not interested, they can buy the products also. And you can earn a profit on that. But let me explain in more detail. But the first 3 steps are your focus. Use products at a discount, support your own business, in other words. Get education and support, learn how to do things. And 3, share the business and earn a bonus in the process. Those 3 are the most important. So how do you earn? Let me show you. First, you save as you buy. First, you buy the discount. So immediately the savings you can use for something else or save, keep for another day. So you already score some money there. 2, you can, but this is step 4, okay? If you sell to customers, you can make a profit of about 20-25%, but this is not where the main money lies. That's why we said selling to customers is not the main focus. 3, team turnover bonus. This is where the main focus lies. As your team uses and sells products, your total turnover grows and you earn a bonus on it. Think about all the big franchise businesses out there. You know, the fried chicken and all those things. The head office makes a lot of money because all the branches have to pay a percentage to them. Something similar is going to happen here. Similar principle. Except here you can what you call sub-franchise, which a normal franchise cannot do. And here you earn on the whole team, the total turnover of your whole team. Let me show a bit more how that works. Okay, how much can you earn? Let me give you an example. Now these are conservative ideas. If you would pick up 10 customers, you can earn, let's say, 2,000 Rand per month or 90 pounds, give and take, a month. Can be more, depends on you. I know of a lady here in Cape Town area, a few years back already, she was earning around about 20,000 Rand a week from customers. But she went out selling like crazy and did full time. Okay, that's not the focus of the business, but what I'm trying to tell you is, if you want to, you can make money that way too. If you've got 50 customers, look where you are now. Okay? But if you build a promoted team, people who register because they also want to buy a discount and they also want to help other people, you can earn far more. You see the estimates there? Build a promoted team, 20,000 plus per month. I know people earning more than 100,000 Rand per month. I know people earning even far more than that. That's why I say you are your own limit to how much you can earn. Like I said, even much more. Now, how the income adds up, let me show you. If you personally use, these are just examples. If you use like 5,000 Rands worth of products, okay, if you use that much of products, you will save about 700 Rand, 800 Rand, give and take. I've put in the pounds there as well. If you buy 200 pounds, you save about 33 pounds because you buy the discount. Remember, you've not told other people about opportunity, and they're also registered because they also want to do this. They also want to buy at the discount. Just like you, they want to buy at the discount. Now, let's say you've got a team. The team does a turnover of 60,000 Rand. You earn a bonus on that of about 10%. So that's not all. Let's say you have got some customers. You don't have to focus on customers, but let's say you have some customers. And you sell 5,000 Rand worth of product to customers, you earn a profit of around about 900 Rand, give and take. But I hope you've noticed, point 2 gives you a much bigger income than point 3. That's where you don't focus on customers. Yes, you have some customers, but you don't focus on them. You focus on helping people buy the discount and help them to help other people buy the discount. I'll just build a team of users, of consumers. That's where you must focus. Total turnover in my example now is 70,000 Rand. Your bonus in the total turnover is, let's say, 6,000 Rand. Probably will be more, but let's stick to conservative numbers just to show the principle. Estimated monthly income, the 900 Rand from the products you've sold, plus the bonus is 6,000 Rand. And you can add even the 700 Rand plus that you've also saved. So you see, this is just the principle. It can be much bigger than this. The bigger your team of people who are buying at a discount, the more money you make. So by naturally talking to people about specials, this is a special thing. You actually build a team. There are different products they can buy discount, the weight management, healthcare, home care, skin and personal care products. A wide range. These are things that people buy every month. Like Amazon, we get products delivered to their door. So you don't even have to worry about delivery. It is done for you depending on where the person is and so on, okay? So if people don't earn an extra income, you can sell the products and have it delivered at their door. Just like Amazon does that. Okay? You even get a free website, which the people can go onto the website and they can order on the website, just like Amazon. Okay?
I am Dr. Judith Pila. I am married and blessed with 4 daughters, 2 sons, and 2 grandchildren. I am a teacher by profession. As a teacher, I was financially stressed, and this had a negative impact on my health. I joined on a part-time basis because I wanted to improve my health, and I also wanted financial freedom. Through the wonderful products, I got my chronic asthma under control, and today I'm no longer on inhalers. My family has also benefited from these products. I also experienced financial breakthrough I've been praying for. I'm no longer teaching. I own a beautiful home and have sent all my children to private schools. As a teacher, I would never have been able to travel abroad. But through this business, I've been to Hong Kong, I've been to Dubai, and earlier this year, we went on a vacation to a beautiful holiday resort at George. And next year, we'll be going to Prague. None of this would have been possible without my wonderful team.
Hello folks, what a privilege it is for me to spend a few minutes sharing with you about the most incredible opportunity that ever crossed my path. I was 26 years old when they discovered I had leukemia. Newly married to a wonderful bride for about 2 years, had a little baby daughter, and I was desperate to stay alive. The next 5 years, I fought my cancer the medical way. Well, after 5 years, I was sent home to die. It was a really traumatic time in our family. And that's when we discovered what an incredible God we have with impeccable timing. Because He sent somebody across my path to teach me that the body is the healer, that we have to change the environment and our lifestyle. And the first thing that I changed was the supplements I was taking. And within a matter of days, my energy increased, my liver swelling went down, my leukemia count improved. And I wanted to find out more about this company with its incredible products. You see, I thought that all supplements were whole food supplements. I was horrified to discover what I was taking had either turpentine, petroleum, rocks, or metal in. When I got into whole food, they changed my life. Then I started researching this company. Well, at that time, my wife and I, we had 4 companies in 3 different countries with about 200 staff. And the stress of that was also playing havoc on my life. And I was looking for an opportunity that had the benefits of this industry, but I didn't know there was an opportunity like that out there. And so as I researched this industry, I discovered, number one, this company sells to the world. That means you can have businesses around the globe. You're not based in one economy. Today, my wife and I, we've got income from 26 different countries around the globe. As I researched this industry, I discovered that you're wanting unique products. And the products of this company are so unique that there's not one other business on planet Earth that can serve you the quality, the ingredient, and the results that these products can supply. The next thing I discovered that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That to me was so incredible, because any other industry, most of them fail because of either lack of expertise or lack of income. And this business, you don't need expertise because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Somebody's going to guide you and train you and empower you. At the same time, you don't need income, because this business will create its own income as you go along. You don't have to invest thousands into education and learning that you take out from your income that you're producing from this business. The next thing I loved about this opportunity was flexi time. It's a little hobby you start at spare time. And while I had my business of 200 staff, I started this up, and I actually could replace my income within a few years from this opportunity. Well, the more I researched it, the more excited I got about it, because I discovered there's no staff, there's no bosses. That to me was absolutely incredible, because I had 200 staff, and I always wanted to be my own boss, but I didn't want the stress that went with it. I didn't have to have warehousing. The company does the warehousing. I didn't have to do the shipping. The company does the shipping. I didn't have to control marketing plans. The company controls all that kind of stuff. So Yara was free to do what I was best at, and that was working with people.
That's just an example of one person who made a big success. Time is running out. Let me quickly show you here non-toxic products. Very quickly show you. I chose this basket from a local store in South Africa. And take note, those 9 products can be replaced by 2 other products. I could always show you the difference. Here is one product, replaces those 6 products. Take note, 1 liter bottle of that gives you 11 liters of product. And you see the before and after picture there of the paving with this product. Now, buying those 6 products in the supermarket will cost you about 224 Rand here in Africa. Now, that converted directly to pounds would be at 10 pounds. If you use this product that I'm talking about here, it will work at about 126 Rand to have the same amount of a cleaning product, same amount, okay, for about half the price. As you can see, they're almost half the price. Now, the other product replaces those 3, the Sunlit Liquid, Dark Shampoo, and the body wash. And you will see it also saves you money. You get 6 liters from that bottle, and the difference being from 234 Rand to only 89 Rand. That is a big difference. If you summarize that, you can see the difference there. Yeah. Retail price 495 Rand, but 22 pounds. And discount price, sorry, this is not discount price, this customer price, our products, 215 Rand. The 495 Rand is the shop products. Now, if you register, you can take another 40 Rand off that amount. It's about 170 Rand give and take you pay. So it makes sense to use the products because you save. And that's the whole idea. We help people save money. We talk to people and teach them how to save money. There's a disinfectant as well. Take note the difference of price here. Dettol will cost you more than 100 Rand a litre. This disinfectant tested with certificates will work out about 29 Rand a litre. Same hospital strength. Make your own comparison, test for yourself, and you'll see that you will save. If you look at calcium tablets, I don't have time to go through the detail, but typical calcium tablets in the shops, you need about 8 tablets to get you one of those that we use. And if you work at price, the one in shops will cost you, let's say, 8 Rand, ours will cost you about 3 Rand a tablet. But you have to take 8 tablets to get you one of ours. So in the end, which one is more expensive? That's why we have to teach people how to save money and shop wisely. Help make the world a healthier and happier place. Help protect your families from dangerous supplements and help them enjoy healthier lives. Help protect them with dangerous cleaning products as well. Share the opportunity with people and help them to have better in finances and better health. And in the process, you can benefit financially yourself. Thank you.